What do you think it takes to get high-quality drone footage like this? A professional drone operator? A cameraman? Expensive equipment? Or simply
this!
Introducing the CyPhy LVL drone, a drone that lets absolutely anyone capture footage like never before. CyPhy's Level Up technology is the real breakthrough. By using 6 rotors, the drone can fly without tilting, making it simple and intuitive enough for anyone to fly. Plus, you get professional, stable footage without an exposed gimbal. Because Level Up gets rid of the usual multi-rotor wild tilting, the interface can be simplified. To fly, just swipe. Swiping is a superior interface that allows you to see what you're capturing while flying, unlike tilting or joystick-only navigation. Our flying interface can be downloaded as an app on your smartphone. It's simple, accurate, and fun. Because drone flying is better when it's shared, the Level 1 can post shots and video real-time to your social network of choice. And with the new geofence technology, you can define the area in which you want to fly. Your drone will stay within your boundaries of choice, allowing everyone from beginners to experts to practice their piloting skills with confidence.
So far, CyPhy Works has been building drones for industrial application. But we want to bring our drone inventions to everyone at consumer-friendly prices. Plus, we just love robots.
So really, we put our full technological expertise into designing a drone for the consumer that gives professional video quality and stability, but doesn't require professional knowledge to fly it. Our drone will come with a 1080p high-quality camera, and it will be ready out of the box for everything from family videos, to action filming, to home inspection.
So, why Kickstarter? CyPhy is made up of a small, passionate group of robot enthusiasts that wants to make this breakthrough technology available to everyone. And to make the leap from commercial to consumer drones, we need your support to keep the price low compared to other available drones. Thanks to the CyPhy Level 1's capabilities, instead of worrying about the drone itself, you can focus on the experience. The CyPhy Level 1 is simple to fly, captures exactly what you want, and shares it in real time. This is the first drone for absolutely everyone from the drone company, CyPhy.